Hey everyone! Today we're diving into Apple Passwords, the new password manager that comes with iOS 18 and macOS 15. If you're tired of juggling multiple passwords, this tool makes things a lot easier. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to get started, manage your passwords, and even use Apple Passwords on Windows. Let's jump in. So, what is Apple Passwords? It's Apple's all-in-one password manager designed to store and manage your passwords, passkeys, and even Wi-Fi credentials in one place. Think of it as an upgrade from iCloud Keychain with a more user-friendly interface that's dedicated to your security needs. To get started, you'll need an Apple device running iOS 18, iPad OS 18, or Mac OS 15. First, make sure your Apple ID is active and iCloud Keychain is turned on. Here's how. Go to Settings, iCloud, Passwords, and Keychain, and switch it on. Now, Apple Passwords will automatically sync your credentials across all devices linked to your Apple ID. Easy, right? Let's talk about what makes Apple Passwords awesome. It's a centralized hub for all your credentials, from passwords to passkeys. You can even create shared password groups for family or work teams. And don't worry, it's super secure with end-to-end encryption and biometric authentication like Face ID or Touch ID. Apple Passwords will even give you a heads up if any of your passwords are weak or compromised. Also, Apple is really pushing passkeys, a new passwordless login method. To manage your passkeys, just open the Apple Passwords app, tap on the Passkeys button, and you'll see a list of all your saved passkeys. You can edit or delete them easily, and sharing passkeys with other Apple devices is as simple as using AirDrop. Now, what if you're on a Windows device? No worries. You can still access Apple Passwords through the iCloud app. After downloading the iCloud app from the Microsoft Store, sign in with your Apple ID, install the iCloud Passwords Chrome extension, and voila! You can now autofill your Apple Passwords credentials on Windows. And there you have it, a quick guide to using Apple Passwords. It's simple, secure, and integrates seamlessly across your devices. Whether you're on iPhone, Mac, or even Windows, Apple Passwords has you covered. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on staying secure online. Thanks for watching.